Hey YouTube, it's Northwest Mountain Bike Addict back here at Pilchuck Tree Farm. About to ride a different trail from my normal routine. It's kind of icy out here today, a little bit snowy, so the trail I wanted to ride was a little bit too greasy, so I'm going to chill on that until the weather's a little better. Anyways, thought I'd go over what I ride. This is a 2022 Giant Trans X. It's 27.5 inch tires, 2.6. This isn't stock. It's got a lot of upgrades on it. So first off, I got a SDG seat, wolf tooth seat post clamp, P&W range bars, soon to be upgraded to 1-up carbon bars, Zeb Ultimate fork, SRAM GX Eagle 160mm cranks. Sick of those hitting my pedals on those rocks. Done with that. Float-X rear shock. Got the gold chain. Got the Kona Wawa pedals. Excellent pedals, by the way. Got the Industry 9 gold valve stems. What else? What else do I got going on? Oh, ODI grips. I got some semi-metallic brake pads. I can't remember the name of the company, but all they do is make brake pads. They're on Amazon. Got a fun bash guard. Yeah, we got race face turbine stem. I think that's about it. Anyways, I love this bike. It's a fucking amazing bike. Came from a Trek Marlin 5 like XC bike. It was fun. Well, I still have it, as a matter of fact. But this thing, once I got used to riding it, this thing's amazing. Like it's bomb shit. I could never bomb with the other bike I had. This thing just soaks up everything. Jumps amazing. At least what I can jump so far. Need to get better at jumping. Soaks up all the bumps. Turns amazing. Love it. Anyways, let's get on with this trail. This is Bobcat Blue Trail. Hopefully there's no trees down the other side of the trail. Hit this up. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Northwest Mountain Bike Addict. Let's hit this trail. GoPro, stop recording.